Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam error code E84 with an error message something went wrong when attempting to sign in. Let's fix it guys. First thing, you need to check your internet connection and try again. So if you have an poor internet connection or unstable internet connection, you will be getting this kind of error message in Steam guys. In case if this not a problem, you just want to right click on the start icon guys and select run. In run you just need to type percentage tem temp percentage again. After typing it, select ok and opens up temporary files guys. You just need to select any of these and select Control plus A to select all and right click on it and select delete and select try again or skip. If anything is not able to delete guys, that's totally be fine. After doing it, after deleted, close out of here and the same thing you want to do it guys. Right click on the start and select run. In the here now you just want to type temp click ok and here we get temporary files in here guys. You just need to select these files, Control plus A, select any of these and select type Control plus A in keyboard same time and that will be selected all files and select delete. And if anything is they are not deleting, select skip and that's totally be fine. Close out of here and check whether the problem has been resolved or not. If you still having an issue, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that you just need to right click on the Steam and select properties, select the compatibility tab and you just want to check mark the run this program as an administrator, select apply and ok. After doing it, try to relaunch and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. Make sure your firewall protection is not blocking your Steam guys. That's a big problem you are be facing on. And let's fix that. Go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Open it. In here you just need to search for Steam guys and here we get guys. You just need to select the change settings. If there is unchecked in here, you just need to select change settings and select the check mark in here guys, private and public. You just want to select both check mark here. If you can't able to find the Steam in here, you just want to select allow another app and select browse, and in browse you just need to search for Steam guys. For that I'm gonna go with program files 86 and search for Steam. Right click, double click on it, Steam, and here we get Steam. Select it and select open and select add. Steam is already in the list of exhibitions. Select ok. I already having it guys, that's why I'm getting it message. You if not having in Steam in this list, you just want to select allow another app and click browse and add it. And after adding it, you just want to check mark the private and public, and after doing it, close out of here and go ahead and open the Steam application, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.